nap day. It's considered your Saturday, but really, oh, to see my stupid flip cam, the thing, what's that, the lens thing?
Yeah.
Has fallen off. It's like on its last leg, huh? Very last leg. Anyway, we're on our way to the gym. We'll see if this still works. It's probably like the clearest it's ever been or something.
If you guys know anything about Angie, it's amazing that this thing has lasted this long.
It's true. It's true. How long? 2 years?
2 years.
2 years. And I can't change. I tried to change different cameras and I just can't do it. I'll have to try. It's just too hard. But anyway, so we're going to the gym. Then we got other things we're doing today and out to dinner with friends and errands and stuff like that. So today's Ange a nap day.
Busy.
Super busy. And it's beautiful. Well, it's 92
At 9 o'clock.
at 9 o'clock in the morning. So it's, but it's
That's
pretty.
like cool. I need a sweater.
Yeah. But it's beautiful here. See? Beautiful. Yeah. So we'll hit the gym and then we'll take off the rest of the day. Whoa. So this is what our gym looks like. Restrooms, kids area down there. Up the stairs here. There's even an elevator for people who need the elevator for the gym, huh? These stairs are like a warm-up for the going, and then they're killer on the way down on leg day. Huh. Anyway, this is what it's like. Cool, huh? Here we go. Da 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 da. Wait. Alright, let's get our gym on. Get the gym going. Okay, I'm on the bike. This is what I see. There's the aerobic class going on there. There's a nice window behind me. And then there's what I see. TVs, naps over there. And I'm just on the bike. I'm gonna go on the stair stepper next. I'm lifting, lifting. There's the dude. I got a head nod. He's about ready to do a set. Woo! Thinking about it. I'm ready to start too. Here we go. Here we go.
I still have a lot left.
We're back.
He loaded me up.
Back from the gym. Eating some cereal. Making some eggs. Katie. I'm eating my protein bar. And I got the mouse. I got Lucy. Lucy. Oh. Lucy.
She's going to work.
Can you see her?
Uh-huh.
It's disappearing quick.
Yeah, it showed you got her. She is munching
Put the
fast.
top back a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, she's getting her itch.
She is putting it down. I put it down.
Can you see her?
It's disappearing.
I mean, can you see it in the thing?
Top.
There you go.
There you go. Turn it towards you.
11 o'clock. There you go.
There you go. She is putting it down. Look at them cheeks working.
It seriously disappeared, man.
Oh yeah. She is not playing around.
Do I still got her in there?
She's
Oh, it went down my shirt. Woo! Hello.
She'll go get
Like, give me that.
And then we're gonna head out and drop off your truck to get the brakes done. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Lucy Lou. And then we will finish the rest of the day. Ange nap style. Alright. We're in my car because Nap's car is getting his brakes done. And my air is broken. Not happy, are you? A, he's not happy driving my car, and he's not happy there's no air. Right? Both? Right. Everybody's looking at us funny. Here we are in this car. where the Cardinal Stadium is, right there. Westgate. Really fun. That's where we go a lot of the times when we go. Well, we used to go more when we lived over closer to here, but anyway, so meeting some friends here for dinner and a little date night. It's kind of been our day. That's the Angie nap day. Angie nap date day. And that's about it. Probably in bed by 10. Ooh, raise the roof. We're just lucky to be showered. So here we are. We can't record our friends. They don't like it. But nothing too exciting. Alright. Okay, end of the evening. We're going to we're at Westgate. Beautiful night. We're going to get some Cold Stone ice cream. I don't even think I can record myself. Cold Stone, I don't even know if I'm recording myself. Cold Stone ice cream. It's beautiful. Busy. Pretty night. Oh, let's see if we can see all the, if there's a band playing. So pretty. Oh, a huge line.
Oh, it's not working.
No. Dang it. No? Okay.